Amid the increasing reports of violence among students, head of the St. Elizabeth Police is urging youngsters to do better at talking out their issues before they turn violent or fatal. Superintendent Coleridge Mento was addressing students at the B.B. Cook High School as part of the annual Safe School Tour. Krista Campbell reports.
The police at B.B. Cook High School in St. Elizabeth on an annual Safe School Tour where recent violent incidents involving students featured prominently. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police, Superintendent Coleridge Minto's message to the students was simply talk instead of fight.
And if you're unable to talk it out with the person you have a conflict with, then find your dean of discipline, find your form teacher, or some other adult to discuss the issue with.
And with weapons a feature of several fights between and among students, this caution from Superintendent Minto.
No to carry ice picks or any form of implement that can create harm or injure your other students. Violence does not pay. We want, you heard Shelley and just now, we want all of you to grow up, to enjoy your childhood, to grow up to be the person of tomorrow, to be on the track, to be in the police stations, to be the doctors, the lawyers, the nurses, and to enjoy your life.
Now, with the summer break about 1 month away, the police commander had words of caution on another safety issue.
If you have to go to anywhere there is water, pool, a river, the ocean, that you do so responsibly with an adult, with a lifeguard, and to ensure that you have the necessary support as you go to enjoy yourself during the summer holiday. We want you to enjoy the holiday and return to school or to university or to go into your skills area September.
With the recent injury of a student who was struck by a vehicle after poorly crossing the road, another caution for students not to cross at stoplights and
do not stand behind a vehicle and then you rush out crossing the streets. That is not a good way to cross the street. A good way to cross the street is to go to the pedestrian sign. There's the white lines, pedestrian crossing sign right in the town center there. A lot of you students have observed are not using it. You just rush out anywhere you are. That is not a good way to cross the street.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
And coming up in this newscast, lawmakers propose a $250 bill featuring the U.S. President Donald Trump. We'll be right back.